Good morning. What is the basis of an asset? Well, how do you determine the basis of an asset? If you purchase the asset to use in your business and you place it in service during the same year, you will use the cost of the asset as the basis for that asset. So the cost and the basis will be the same. You'll take the cost of the asset, the purchase price. You'll add any sales tax you pay on that asset. You'll add it to the purchase price, unless you are going to claim standard undermines deduction and claim sales tax there instead of income tax. But that will be more if you are sole proprietor. If you have a business and you are depreciating an asset, you are filing your business tax return. It's just whether it sticks to that rule. So you take the purchase price of the assets, you add the sales tax you pay on it, you add any installation fee added to it, and if there is any fee related to the purchase, you like shipping fee, freight, you add it to the purchase price, and that's the cost of the assets, and that will be the same as the basis for that asset if you purchase it during the year to use in the business and place it in service during that same year. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel, and we thank you for all your comments. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, and ninasoap.com our blog. We have links to Form 4562, instructions for Form 4562, and Publication 95. Publication 946, how to depreciate properly. We have links to those form and instructions on ninasoap.com under free downloads. You don't need to join email list to access those free downloads. Thank you so much for your time.